Alright guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright, check it out. Behind me, I got a 2003 Honda Accord. And we're going to show you how to replace the hood pistons, also known as the hood lift supports. That's right, coming up on Astral Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com. Alright guys, this looks familiar. You go ahead, hood won't even stay up. You get a stick in there, stick stuck behind the side of the seat or something like that. Or what's really messed up is that you put the stick here, you're working on the car, you hit the stick, and the thing comes down on your head. That sucks. So we need to change these hood pistons, or they call them lift supports. Now there's two ways of doing this. One, you got to keep the hood up in the air. Then you can put it up in the air, get you a pair of vice grips, and grab one, grab it right on the piston, crimp it, and then you change one. But what happens when you go to changing the other one? You do not want to use the vice grips on this piston because it can damage the seal inside. So what you want to do?
Having one good one is not good enough to...
Sometimes it holds up, but a lot of times it don't.
I see.
So what you're going to have to do, like I'm going to take my jack handle here, and I'm going to find a place where I can set it. That ain't going to work. Let's set it down here on the body, on the frame, and set it up here, just like that. Take my vice grips off, and that's going to hold into place. Now to take these off is very simple. Let's get you a big screwdriver or a pry bar, and on each side down here, that just pops right onto that. Let's get this. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do here. I'm going to get the pry bar right between here, and be careful with the fender, guys. Right about here, and just have your hand on the hood just in case, and you're just going to pry out just like that and pop that out. Watch this. Whoops. Pop that out just like that.
The what?
See that? There's a nice size spring inside there that latches on to this ball right here. Or sometimes new ones will come right. See, this right here is a hex head, is it? No. You can put a wrench on this and it'll unscrew and take that out as well. That's the other one, how those go. But the dealership might have it like that. I doubt it. Mostly all of them, you're going to have to pop that off. So let's go to the other side.
It's scary.
Yeah, it is. And do the same thing. Put our screwdriver in there. Hold up on the hood. And pop it out just like that. Oh, got it?
Huh?
All right, so now, look at this. That is shot, guys. All right, the next thing you want to do is grab you a 10mm socket. And I'm going to use my cordless drill right here with my little bits for $1.99. You get a 3-piece set from Harbor Freight. 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. I'm using my 3/8, my 3/8 drive 10mm socket. And you're going to have 2 bolts holding on the top. So you're going to take them bolts out. 1, and hold that in place. 2. And let's go over there. Let's set this right here. And let's take off the other side. And we'll be right back. Alright guys, here we go. We got our old ones. And here's our new ones. And you notice these are extended all the way. If I want, I can't even push those in. And these, look at this. Messed up, both of them. So let's get these.
Let's see the other one.
Here.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't know why you felt like you needed to do both of them together.
I don't know. And actually, why they got this marked right and left, I have no idea.
They're the same. Aren't they?
They sure are. They're the same. Right? I don't know. But anyway, let's get these mounted up. Let's go over here first. Take our bracket, put it up here. Let's get our 10mm bolts started. And you want to definitely start off by hand first so you don't cross thread them. Put in about a couple threads. There's one. And there's two. And let's go do the other side. We'll be right back. All right, guys, we got them in. Next thing we're going to do, take our cordless drill. And we're going to go ahead and tighten both of them up. Let's tighten these up. And then we're going to go to the other side and tighten those up. We'll be right back. Hey! All right, guys, now for the final part. Now, you notice this end is not lined up with that. So it's okay. Just twist it a little bit. And right now, you're going to have to pick up on the hood. But be careful of that stick right there.
Especially if your wife's standing there.
So what we're going to do is put this right here. Hold the hood up with a hand. Bring this over here. Lower it down till it lines up with this. And you're going to pull it in to snap it into place. Just like that. And while you're holding the hood up with your hand, come over to the other side. And it looks like we're going to have to turn this one. All right. And get that lined up. And pull that in. Let the hood go. Look at that, guys. Let's bring it down. Perfect. Let it up. Look at that. Yeah, boy. I am so proud of you guys and girls for doing that yourself. We'll be right back.
All right, so today we had a 2003 Honda Accord. This is getting monotonous now. Okay, so we showed you how to replace the hood pistons or hood lift supports. If you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comments section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astraautorepairs.com. I know you guys are tired of looking at me now, so
That's Civvy. No, we're not.
hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astra Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.